The Complete Financial Solution. Tatlo lang ang totoong problema natin sa buhay. Isa, what if I die too soon? Who will take care of my family? Dalawa, what if I get sick? Who will pay for the costs? Tatlo, what if I live too long? Who will take care of me? Kung ikaw ay walang financial dependent, baka dalawang or tatlo ang concern mo. Kung ikaw ay breadwinner ng family, baka isa ang main concern mo. Kung single ka, o walang mag-aalaga sa iyo o wala kang naitatabi pa para sa kinabukasan, baka tatlo ang priority mo at hindi ka interesado sa isa. Kanya-kanyang pangangailangan, kanya-kanyang solution. Usually, kailangan mo ng combination ng life protection, life insurance, best for 1. Health care, health insurance, best for 2. Investment, best for 3. Anuman ang kukunin na combination, laging itanong sa sarili kung ang combination ay suitable, affordable at sustainable. Mag-aral lagi ng practical financial concepts, strategies at solutions. Let's talk. Message mo ako. Guide kita. Please share, follow, and like. Thanks for watching.